Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a favorites list in the LEROY MERLIN app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the LEROY MERLIN app, then search for some products. For example, Christmas decorations. And if you scroll down here, you will see some decorations, and on the bottom of the products box you can see a heart-shaped icon next to the product's name. If you tap on it, you can add to your favorites, or you can open you can tap on a product and if you scroll down here, you will see on the right side below the product's pictures this heart-shaped icon, this green heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, you add it to your favorites. You just tap on these heart-shaped icons easily. Then on the bottom right corner, go to your profile and select your favorites, your favorite product. Then if you scroll down here, you will see the products what you saved by tapping on this heart-shaped icon. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.